folks, nice easy one this. Nirvana's About a Girl. Not a lot going on. Couple of riffs, little solo. What's not to love? We're doing the album version. So clean tone is... You want it just on the edge of breakup there, really. I'm just using my amp clean tone. And he's probably using a humbucker in the bridge, actually, but I haven't played this for ages, and that made me sad. And it loves Nirvana. Oh, this loves Nirvana, I tell you. I'm also using this bad boy for the distortion. You can use any distortion pedal for this, but... comes in the solo. And that is the Heavy from Empress Effects, and it is heavy. You'll be seeing more of that very soon. Let's crack on and learn this thing. So first riff, verse and intro, has 2 chords. E minor, G major. Both in their open positions. And we're going to be playing this rhythm. And repeating around, okay? So you're going to play down, down, all fingers off, and a little upstroke, just on the sort of lower regions of these strings. And he does that a lot when he changes between chords, okay? So he's going to take all his fingers off and then move to the next one. So use that to get the G chord shape, okay? Time there. And there you play down, up, down. And then you take your fingers off again. Ultimately, this should be probably played up in an up-down fashion, okay? But occasionally, he'll only play a quarter note on the first beat of each measure, okay? So the second bar then is going to be, which is a lot easier to remember because it's the same pattern repeated twice. First in E minor, and then G. Like that. So the whole thing together slowly would be... like that. Then you go to the chorus. All power chords, 4th fret on the A. And you're going to play this. And then back into the verse part, okay? So, a little bit more going on there, but essentially you're going to play 3 chords for that part. And then again, you take your first finger off this time. Leave the, I'm using my 3rd and 4th fingers there. And then you cover the 4th fret on both 5th and 6th strings, right? Okay. And then you move down to the 2nd fret, F sharp. And there's 2 and then a whack. That rhythm, okay? And again, for the last 8th note, he'll take all of his fingers off to move back up. So, when you do the change between this chord, which is basically C sharp with G sharp in the bass, you're going to play... I think he does that there. But you could do the old remove all fingers on that last 8th note there too, right? Okay, so either of those options is fine, and then 2 open E. You leave your first finger on that A string, right? And then you're going to slide up to the 7th fret. And then you apply the power chord. So it's all E. Slides up there. And then a whack. And then you've got an A to a C. And again, take your fingers off for the very last time. So slowly. And then you're into that. Then chuck the distortion on, whichever you have available to you. And then you're going to play this. 4 times. I think it's identical every time, but open E, 5 7 5 7 on the A and the D. Another one on the 7th fret, and then you do a grace note slide. That is me hitting the note on the 7th fret and sliding immediately to the 9th fret. That note hangs over into the next bar, so the riff is. And then you play it one more time, okay? Flatten your 3rd finger. So then you're going into part of a, it would be part of an E power chord, but you're just playing the double stops. So that's 2 notes played together on the 9th fret on the 3rd and 4th string. And you slide that to the 12th fret. And then do another 3 when you get there. So the whole thing slowly. And you go around the verse again. I think when you go into the chorus this time, you play slight variation, right? Where you play. It's that, right? You just play. Rather than. I mean, it's super subtle, but he does let the distortion ring out a bit more. And then you go to this part. And there, you're actually, there's actually a bar 2-4. So from this part, and then that hangs over into the next bar, and then you just do 2 bars of 4-4. So and you end on an E minor. And you're done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Bye-bye.